Hi, I'm Patrick Friesen. I'm the plant scientist here at BioChambers. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple schedule. There are two ways to connect to our chambers and make a schedule. You can use a touchscreen computer, or you can connect using our VNET software through a network-connected computer. Once you're in the software, the process is the same. Both are just as easy. Let me show you how.
When you open up VNet on a network-connected computer, you'll first see this initial login screen. Here the IP address will have been set up by a BioChambers technician, and you can log into access level 1 by leaving the username and password blank. This will connect you to our main screen, which will be the same here on VNet as it is on a touchscreen computer attached to one of our chambers or rooms. The first thing you'll have to check is that the time is correct. We can see here that it is correct. If it's not, you'll need access level 6, which is administrator level, and that the administrator default password and username can be found in the user manual. And then you'd go into setup and general settings to change the time and date. To make a schedule, you need access level 3, which we're going to go to now, and we're going to log into that using the username researcher and the password research. Alright, now we're ready to make our schedule. We click our schedule button there and we edit a schedule. We're going to edit it and make a new schedule. And so where we start is up here in our entry line editor. We're going to make our entry line and then add that entry to the schedule. We're going to start here with time, and we're going to tell the chamber to turn on at 7 a.m. or 0700 hours. Our system uses 24-hour time, and that's important to note. 70000 gets you to 0700. We enter that. Our daytime temperature, we're going to clear and bring it up to 270, 27 degrees Celsius for our daytime temperature. Next, we're going to turn on all the lights. If you have a dimmable fluorescent system or a newer LED system, this will be a % output. Finally, we're going to leave the fan speed at 85%, which is great for most applications. If you have CO2 or humidity control or another option that's controllable through our scheduling software, this would show up there here too, but this chamber doesn't. So we're finished making our line entry, our first line entry. We're going to add it to the schedule. Next, we're going to make our second line entry. We're going to go back here to our editor. We're going to clear it and tell the lights to turn off after 16 hours, which is 11 p.m., or in 24-hour time, 2300 hours. We're going to turn the nighttime temperature down to 22 degrees Celsius, a nice cooler nighttime temperature, and we're going to turn all of our lights off. Next, again, we're going to add this entry to our schedule, and our schedule is built. And this is exactly what's going to happen day after day after day. The lights are going to come on at 7 a.m. and the temperature is going to go to 27 degrees for our 16-hour daytime conditions. Then at 11 p.m. or 2300 hours, the temperature is going to go down to be a bit cooler, and the lights will turn off for the nighttime. We have one last step here, and that's to save our schedule. We're going to save this as maize veg, because it's good for growing maize vegetatively. And lastly, do you want to make this the active schedule? Yes. Now you're good to go. The schedule is running, easy as that. And the other thing to note here too, is that if you're a night owl and you like working late at nights, you can set your plant growth chamber schedule to be offset from actual time, and you can have the plant daytime in our nighttime and work that way if you want.
Thanks for watching this. For more information on how your growth chamber settings affect plant growth, check out our website here.